Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the 7 elements of speech communication and how and why those can affect the speaker. The first one is the speaker itself, a pretty important one. So the way that I perceive from the book on how that element would affect the speaker is basically knowing that your success of from a speech will come from being the speaker. You know, the preparation put behind it, the credibility, all of those things are going to help you to get your message across, which leads to the second element, which is the message itself, what you are trying to communicate. And this is important because what you are communicating sometimes is difficult to communicate. And so understanding your message will help you to be able to get that across to your audience. And if you know what your message is, it's a whole lot easier to communicate that. The third element is the channel. So the way that that message is being communicated. So it could be television, radio, or via video, having an in-person audience. And so knowing how that channel works will be great for knowing what could arise and different things like that. The next element is the listener, which in my opinion was probably one of the most important elements of speaking. From a speaker's perspective is to understand your listener, to know their frame of reference, as it's called, what they know, how they see things. If you can understand that, then it'll be a whole lot easier to get your message across. The next element is the feedback. What the listener is doing to show interest or disinterest. A lot of times nonverbal. They could just be disinterested, staring off, or maybe looking at their phone, different things like that. Understanding that will help you to adjust and maybe grab their attention a little bit more. The next element is interference, and that can be anything from static to loud noises, internal or external. So understanding those will help you to overcome them and to be a better speaker. And the final element is the situation. So the location. Being aware of that will help you to know ways to be better to overcome the difficulties that may arise from the situation itself. Thank you.